Welcome to this tutorial that guides you through adding buttons to your navigation menu in WordPress without using any plugins. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to log into your account, enter the site editor, and enhance your header with a new button element. The process is simple and can be completed in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here you will find the login option. Click on the login area to start the process of entering your account. After you click on the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. One of these options is to continue with Google. Select the continue with Google option and then choose the Google account you wish to use. This step is designed to streamline the login process by using your existing Google authentication so you can move forward quickly without the need to manually input additional credentials. Once you have successfully signed in, look for the section labeled Quick Links. Within this section you will see an option that says Edit Site. Clicking Edit Site will take you directly to the WordPress site editor. This is where you have the flexibility to modify various parts of your website, including elements of your header. With the site editor loaded, focus on the header area. The header is typically located at the top of your website and is where key elements such as your site title and navigation menu can be found. Click directly on your header to select it. This action ensures that any changes you make will be applied to the header section, where the new button will be integrated. After selecting your header, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the editing interface. Here you will discover an Add Entry button. This Add Entry button is your gateway to incorporating additional elements into your header. Click on the Add Entry button and the editor will present you with options to choose from for new elements you might want to place on your site. At this point you will be prompted to type text into a search or selection field and you should enter the word buttons. Typing in buttons tells the system exactly which type of element you are looking to add to your header. As you type, the editor will begin to filter and display relevant components related to button functionality. Once you see the buttons option appear on the screen, your next action is to click on this option. Clicking on buttons will add the new button element directly to your header. This completes the process of integrating a functional and visually appealing button into your site's navigation menu. The button is now ready for further customization if needed, such as linking it to important pages or calls to action on your website. This method offers a straightforward approach to modifying your site's header using only WordPress's built-in editing tools, without the complications of installing additional plugins. Each step is designed to build upon the previous one, ensuring a smooth transition from logging into editing your header. By following the steps as described, you can enhance the navigation of your site, making it easier for visitors to find important sections and interact with your content. Enjoy the process of updating your website and exploring the various customization options available in the WordPress site editor. With a few simple clicks, you are able to improve the overall user experience and bring a professional look to your site's navigation menu.